Hey y'all, it's Brooke here. Okay, I am here to, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of decorating and maybe adding some papers, but this is one fat journal. So the more I add, the fatter it's gonna be, so we'll see. I know I wanna add these, and I have changed some things. I folded these pages in to create pockets like that. I took that off and replaced it with some book page things from the gnome book there. I'm gonna glue that in. These pockets, I made some little tea stain papers, went ahead and added those just so you can pull them out and journal on them. I have all those tags and I just don't know. But the book's gonna be able to close. I don't know. Added that pocket. That pocket. I don't know if y'all seen. Oh, and I went ahead and glued these envelopes and added a Velcro closure and this and this. And then I made these little papers here just out of children's writing tablet, and I just balled it up and distressed it, and that's what's going to go in there. And I added that. It says gnome 346 years old. And then these I made tea stain graph paper to go in for journaling. But see, I'm gonna add all this stuff, and I added this out of the book. I just want it to be able to close, you know, whoever buys it. And they need to add some stuff too. And then folded that, and I added this. It says, next to brown, green pants and footwear. Just shows what how they dress. And then I added, oh, I didn't show you that I added these to the bottom. And I'm gonna do ephemera, stick ephemera in there if anybody wants to glue around. I'll do that. And this one, added a little bird, some cheesecloth, and a piece of lace. Folded this one down. And I added him, and it shows how he says the footprints left behind by a gnome are very distinctive if you can find them. See how he put a little bird foot on his shoes? He's clever. Added him. Side of the book. More of the paper, journaling papers. This. Don't know what I have shown and what I haven't. Pocket. And then I added a dragonfly with a piece of cheesecloth to that one, and that on the back of that, and the closure. And I got these closures at the dollar store. Fastener dots, 20 pairs, $1. Can't believe it. And then I added this. This is out of the magazine, just a little pocket. And if I have a leftover journaling card, tag, I don't know. I don't know what's going to be able to fit in here. Couldn't tell you. We'll find out. And I know this watercolor piece has added a lot of bulk, but I like it. Added that. And this, and it says, around his waist, he wears a leather belt with toolkit attached consisting of knife, hammer, drill, files, etc. And then I did this part. And I'm going to do on camera me gluing these pieces in. I have them marked. I added this little deer sleeping. More book pages. And let's see. Here's the other envelope with a little bee cheesecloth and that on the back and the fastener. They're pretty good, they're strong. And I did this little collage piece, and then I'm not gonna read that to you, but it says that, talks about their secret footprints. It's just one thick journal. It's got 168 pages. And I'm going to glue this on, and then I did this back here. This book belongs to, and another pocket right there. Okay, let's go from the beginning and glue these pieces on. Got the 3-in-1. I feel like I need to clamp it down. I'm just going to go right down the center. The stitches are. And maybe taking out all these paper clips will help debulk it some. I'm gonna smush it down as hard as I can. But I think they're neat when they're bulky, but I don't want it to be an alligator mouth either. Like where you can't work in it. I'm gonna let that hang off. All right, next one. I guess it's back here. Got these at the dollar store too. Because it seems like the metal ones, if you use to clip in stuff or, you know, just hold your page for you, you can rip the paper by accident. And I'm gonna leave that hanging. And that's just a piece of yarn, the fuzzy yarn. And in my next video, I may cut some of that off, but in my next video, I'm gonna be showing you like adding the charms and the tags and stuff, but I'm gonna go through and see what I actually can before I do that. All right, let's add this. And these are little pieces out of the, talking about their shoes of birch bark, felt boots or wooden clogs, and then it says depending on the area in which he lives. Elderly female was on the back. All right, let's start off with, let's see how I want to put them. I think I'm gonna do it like that. A little closer. Okay. This is the neatest little book. I want the glue to ooze out. If it starts lifting up, I'll go back and add in the corners. The shoes of birch bark. I wonder if this is the pair that he puts his bird feet prints on. I wish gnomes were real. I'd have one as a pet. That corner right there is probably gonna lift up. I'll go back and fix it. Whoops, my computer came on. sit here and listen to YouTube while I'm working, and I just pause it when I film. There we go. It's cute. Cute, 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 cute. All right. Let's go to this. These really add bulk. I don't know if I'm going to ever do these again. I don't know. If I do, they will be awfully thinner. Maybe just like 3 pieces of paper instead of 20. I don't even know how many I put in there. At least 12. I feel like I'm always going like this. Get the glue off. I mean, it's gross. Let that hang. Cute. And I think the only thing I got to do is this little section. I'm gonna rip my pages. All right, and this talks about their blue shirt. It says he wears a blue smock with a, I don't know, Biromi collar or kaftan neck, usually covered up by his beard. And I think I'm gonna put it like this and this. Yeah, it's about right there. Let me put this one on first. And I saved this one because it ties all in with the blue. It's pretty. And I did change, covered up the other stuff. I didn't like it. I don't really, I like the decoupaging, but I printed on tissue paper, and I have a, well, not tissue paper, tracing paper, and I have an inkjet printer, and it bleeds. So I don't like that. So if I ever get a laser printer, and I can't find any napkins. I've looked, and I'm not paying $5 for a pack of napkins. Pull that down a little bit. There we go. Let's see if that helped any. Not really. I'm gonna have to give it some good submission. So I don't know what all I'm gonna be able to add. So you might watch when I put it down. It's a fat one. And it's like most all here. Maybe when I add stuff, I need to come to the back. I don't know. But it's really, really pretty. I love it. All right, thanks for watching this section, and the next one will be adding charms and the tags, maybe, I don't know, and the ephemera. I don't know how much I can get in there. Thanks for watching.